Okay.
Pick a number.
Number 7.
Number 7. Oh, finally. Finally, you are going to be eating bread.
Let's go.
Okay, I've taken enough zubu. Now, bread. Oh. Yes, Ben, close your eye. You make sure you close your eye. Pepper the water. Okay, let's go, Ben. Pick a number.
I will pick a number.
Yeah.
Number 3.
Oh! Finally, to quench your pepper. Yo, enjoy, man. Yo. Okay. Let's go.
Already?
Yes, it's ready.
Pick a number. Number 2. That baby hot.
Congrats. Number 2, congrats.
Come back. Ade.
Okay. Keep it coming.
Close your eyes. Ade, close them. Make I open them. Yeah.
Yeah, we're good. Pick a number.
Holy Spirit, take control. Holy Spirit. Number 7.
Oh!
No.
Finish this pack. Finish this pack before you go. Okay, let's go. Yes, we're ready. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes. They one place.
Okay, let's go. Yes, it's Kabashi. Keep going.
I'm saying your name.
Bye.
His eyes are closed now. They see him.
Why are you close?
Okay. You sure? Okay, open.
Okay, pick a number.
Number 1.
Number 1. Come on, eat pepper.
What the fuck is it? What did I get it?
Just cut the pepper and drop it. Like cut a piece of the pepper and drop it.
Let's go.
Let's go. Shuffle. Ben, close your eyes. Come on. Face there.
Close your eye.
Ben is looking. Ben.
Okay, look at it.
Heads up.
Heads up. You don't do that, bro. You don't do that shit, bro. Are you done?
He's coming. Are you good?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay, pick a number, B.
Number 4.
Oh my God! And that was the last thing he shuffled. Jesus!
Where did you come up for here?
Pepper chicken. Chop am like spaghetti.
Bite am. Drop the pepper back. Bro! Don't go and throw our pepper.
I know how to do you.
Abeg. Go and pass it.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you there?
Yeah.
Are you there?
Mm-hmm.
Are you cool?
Good.
Yeah, pick a number.
Number 4.
At least you have tested Zoro and.
No wonder you're so hot.
Let's go. Let's do this. Fuck it. Let's do this. Heads up. Heads up. No, Allah.
Let's go.
Heads up. Are they here? Heads up.
Yeah. Let's keep it rolling. Keep it rolling. Woo!
Good.
Pick a number, man. Number one. Turn around.
Chibo.
Yeah, I'm going to eat the rest of your days. Okay, let's go. You know what it is, chicken truffle? Yeah. Shuffle.
I'm ready. Okay, no, Allah.
You fast about it?
Okay, look. You see your eye.
No. I can't cheat in this shit, bro. I can't do that.
Pick a number.
Number 5.
Continue with your zobo. You have been eating too much pepper. And zobo with pepper, the hair pepper, the hot more.
Yeah, let's go.
Mike can never eat better too.
Let me finish. I want to finish you.
Let's go. My belly don't dey pain me. Why they do like this?
Pick a number.
She's coming.
You think?
Okay, man, pick a number now.
The secret is saying 6. The other one is saying 7. Pick 7. The two are saying 6. Pick 6. Hey, fuck.
And you pick 7.
Because of flesh.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, no Allah. I'll live with you. We are together on this. Very matter. We are together on this. Chicken. I'll finish. But you pick a number.
Number 2.
Chop it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh God, dude. This is going to be you guys' last circle, so you guys should
close your eyes. I live with you. Holy Spirit, take over. Make I open my eye. Holy Spirit, take over. God of my father, God of my daddy, take over. Should I open it?
No, don't open it.
Okay. Choose the number. 1.
Eat bread.
This guy can't get to.
This is the last. This is your last
Are you
one.
ready?
So if you don't get it right now,
Ogilo, are you ready?
yes, it's ready. Shuffle.
Ready?
Good.
Ready? Pick a number.
God!
Pick a number. Pick a number.
Number 3.
You don't do that. No one spoon.
Which one was good?
No one spoon now.
The game is off.
Eh.
The game is off.
Yeah.
Before I go kill myself.